Hey, it's Cummings from Saunders and Associates, and welcome to the magnificent 27 Old Point Road in Quogue Village. We have a stunning 1920s original build, 5,000 square foot, 3-story, 7-bedroom home on the most prestigious waterfront in the entire village. In fact, we have 470 feet of bulkhead on this peninsula wrapping around, so you get incredible water views from Phillips Creek out to the open Shinnecock Bay and the ocean beyond. Pretty spectacular. Come, let's go check it out. Welcome inside the estate. You'll find this beautiful foyer with original millwork from 1920s, all of which was completely and lovingly restored in 2018. What we have here is beautiful, fine living, but what's so spectacular about it is as beautiful as it is as easy it is. Beautiful grand room right here for entertaining, family gathering, all of which overlooks the water right here in the peninsula, 2 points. Beautiful spot for hanging out with the family, playing games, or entertaining at its finest. Welcome to the heart of the estate. Right here is the family and also catering kitchen. We have a beautiful chef's kitchen with restaurant-grade appliances that is just designed for both family, easy gathering and eating, and for private events. As beautiful as all of the aspects are inside, what is the most stunning here at 27 Old Point is the outside. Everywhere you are and everywhere you go, you are on top of the water. Sand on your toes, beachy living at its finest right here on top of the water in the middle of Quogue Village. Here we have our beautiful and spectacular waterfront coming down the newly installed pier leading to our very deep water dock on Phillips Creek with over 470 feet of newly installed bulkheading on this 1.7 acre beautiful peninsula property. Come on upstairs and let's take a look at the living spaces spanning over the next 2 floors. What we have upstairs is a beautiful landing overlooking the beautiful bay, which leads into the primary suite, which is truly stunning. It also overlooks the water, and it is made up of a private living room den separated by a beautiful waterfront primary king-size bedroom leading into the ensuite. 27 Old Point Road is quintessentially Quogue. It is a one-of-a-kind purchase opportunity unlike anything else available on the market today.